Then today the front of you, I have sitting here for asking of you daily work sentences. Do you know of all sentences from the part of our daily work?
Yes.
Whatever you have done, the work study, that all work you will have to define in English to English. You will not have to muddle anywhere while deciding of any kinds of the sentences from the part of our daily work. Exactly, definitely, these all kinds of the sentences you will have to keep on the tongues with correctness, and you will have to recite of that sentences with accurately. Can you do such?
Yes, sir.
Then first I am going to ask of you what your well name.
My name is Sadan Kumar.
Okay, then Sadan Kumar, would you like to speak of English?
Yes, sir.
If I will tell of you for telling of any kinds of the sentences from the parts of the story or from the parts of the diary, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Then a story now I am not going to discuss with you. I am going to discuss the front of you about of your daily work. The question is there will be given of you, according that you will have to answer to me.
Yes,
If
sir.
I am asking of you question in past, then you remember one method inside of the mind. I will have to answer of that question into past. And if I will ask of you any question in present, then you remember that method there. You will have to answer in present. If I will ask of you in future, then you will have to answer to me in future. According of for question, you will have to answer to me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But if any suspense is going inside of the mind, that suspense you keep distance from the mind. And this time you keep exactly concentrate mind while telling of the sentences from the part of those topic. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Then you tell to me study what did you do?
Study.
Yeah.
Study.
Question you understood?
Yes, sir.
The question I have done to you in your past form. Study what did you do? About of that daily work sentences you will have to tell to me.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I got up early in the morning. Again I came down from the bed.
Yeah.
After that I stood up on the floor.
Yeah.
Again I reached near the door and I opened the door.
Yeah.
And I came out from my room. After that I saw where is my slipper. Then I saw there is my slipper. After that I wore my slipper and I went to my washroom.
Yeah.
After that I pick up my toothbrush and Colgate. After that I rubbed brush in my mouth and I washed my mouth. After that I came out from that room and after that I came out from that room and I sat on the bench and I opened my book, science book, and I read some question. After that I closed my book and I kept my book. After that I stood up.
Okay, where did you keep up that science book?
I kept my science book on the table.
Okay, you kept up that science book on the table.
Yes, sir.
After keeping up that book on the table, what did you do more?
After that I stood up.
Yeah.
And
Where did you stand up?
I stood up on the floor.
Very good. In that study room.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And I came out from that study room and I kept my cycle and I stood up my cycle. And
Okay, where did you keep up your cycle?
I kept my cycle on the floor.
Okay, on the floor.
Yes, sir.
Means in which floor did you keep up that cycle? Means in the courtyard of your house or inside of the house?
Inside of the house, sir.
Inside of the house you kept up your cycle.
Yes, sir.
After keeping up your cycle, what did you do?
I kept my cycle and I took my copy and I kept copy in my bag.
Carrier of cycle.
Yes, sir.
And you thrust it.
Yes, sir. And I thrusted. After that, I took my cycle and I came out from my room.
Yeah.
After that, when I came out from my room, I came out from my home and I kept my foot on the cycle pedal.
Yeah.
After that, I drove cycle and
Driving.
yes, sir. I climbed on the road. After that,
Means you got one road.
yes, sir.
Okay.
And also there I drive my cycle and after some time I went maths tuition and there I read some math question and when sir leave me at that time I came out from.
When sir gave you living?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
When sir gave you living. After getting living, what did you do?
I took my copy and I came out from that class
Yeah.
and I thrusted.
Or copy?
I thrusted my copy in back of cycle. After that, I kept my foot on cycle pedal.
Again?
Again, yes.
Again, you means you rode one cycle and riding of that cycle you came to home.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Then
I came DPP sir tuition.
Okay, after that you read.
Yes, sir.
I think you came to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I kept my cycle and I took my copy and I entered inside of room and I kept my copy in the bench table.
On the bench.
Yes, sir. On the table. After that, sir gave me some question that I solved and sir gave me some word meaning.
Okay, sir gave you some word meaning.
Yes,
sir give me word meaning. No, sir gave me
Word meaning.
Okay.
And
Words meaning.
Yes, sir. And I wrote that word meaning and when sir leave me.
Again, sir gave you living.
Yes, sir. And I came out. I took my copy and I came out from the room and I reached near the cycle and I thrusted a copy.
Okay, means similarly you have done a for that work means again you kept that copy and books
Yes.
one back carrier of the cycle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that again you rode on cycle and you went to home.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after going to home, what did you do?
I went home and I kept my cycle.
Okay, means after keeping of cycle you tell to me means when you do for what is called that breakfast.
Yes.
Okay, at that times how many kinds of the activities have you done? Those all action you will have to explain here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
And I kept my copy in the table. After that, I washed my hand and I ate breakfast. After that, I washed the hand and I drank water. After that,
You drank water? No, means you say I washed my hand and I drank water.
Yes, sir.
Me too. Okay.
Yes, I drank water. After that, I stood up and again I took my book and copy. And after that, I thrusted my copy and book
In the back carrier of cycle.
After that, again I drove cycle and after some time I went to school. After that.
Okay, after that you read some back there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to ask of you the work of your evening. Which kinds of the works have you done at evening time?
Evening time.
After 6 o'clock.
Yes, sir. I washed my foot and hand. After that, I came my home and I sat on the table and I burned light. After that, I opened my book and a copy and I saw there is one math question sir has given. Then I solved that question. After that, I remembered what meaning. And,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Great. I think in daily work for explaining of any sentences you don't have of any muddling things.
No, sir.
You can define of that every sentences with very well.
Yes, sir.
You have not of any suspect to anywhere. Okay, actually you have told to every kinds of the sentence from the part of that daily work. That is very nice. You have not mistaken to anywhere, but little bit means 2% somewhere you have mistaken for reciting of that daily work sentences. Means one place I found of for error. In that place you told to wrong of that V2 form. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood?
Yes.
Again, I will visit in my next times, and I will have to talk to you currently of everything. Okay.